In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Sign in Zoho People. To get started, open your web browser and go to zoho.com. This is the main website for Zoho, and it is where you will access all Zoho apps, including Zoho People. It is a good idea to make sure you are on the correct site and that the page loads fully before you continue, especially if your connection is slow. Once you are on zoho.com, look for the Sign In option. When the Sign In page opens, you will be asked to enter your work email, your username, or whatever account identifier your organization uses for Zoho. Enter the information carefully, because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. If your organization uses a single sign-on method, follow the prompts you see on screen until you are successfully authenticated. After you sign in, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct account. You will typically see a welcome message near the top of the page, often showing your display name. All you need to do here is click on that welcome area with your name. This acts like an account menu and helps you move into the right Zoho service. When you click the welcome message with your name, you will be directed into Zoho People. Within a few seconds, you should land on the Zoho People dashboard. This dashboard is your starting point for HR-related features, such as employee information, attendance, and other people management tools, depending on what your company has enabled. If the dashboard does not appear right away, give it a moment to load and avoid clicking multiple times. If you accidentally end up on a different Zoho app, return to the main Zoho page or use the app switcher to select Zoho People again, then confirm you are signed in under the correct profile. Once you can see the Zoho People dashboard, you are signed in and ready to use the platform. That covers everything you need to know.